Hi, did you know that there are four different data migration strategies? Those can be and utilized for the data migrations from SaaS-based solutions as well as from on-premises to cloud as well, right? So those are the strategies which will help us to plan and migrate the data, right? Now these are the strategies which are very important when it comes to identifying and analyzing the data to be migrated from on-premises to cloud or one SaaS to another SaaS solution, right? So what are those? So first one is rehost, which is also called as lift and shift, right? So rehost is something we are going to move data as is from one platform to another, and it is going to be a simple migration. We are not going to make any other changes into the data and underlying infrastructure, right? The second one is re-platform. So in this one, we are going to rebuild or we are going to modernize a system, right? So that's something we would be doing it. We are going to modernize that system and make sure it is going to work into the cloud, right? So basis on that, it is going to work as expected and is going to meet the business and systems requirement as well. So that way it is going to be helping business to work on and make sure it is available for the business as the data and systems, everything together, right? Third is refactor, which is also called as rebuild, where we would be building the whole system from scratch and we'll make sure that is going to work as expected and it is not relying on underlying infrastructure that was earlier or a legacy system altogether, right? So that's something which is not going to take a toss for the infrastructure as well as business and applications and data. So everything is going to be available as needed for the business to keep running, right? And the last one is re-architect, which is also called as transform, where we would be transforming the underlying infrastructure as well as set of prerequisites and the whole system altogether so that it is going to work as expected for the business. So these are the four different strategies for us to migrate data, and we should be doing it in order to make sure those are going to work with the modern cloud native application and architecture patterns as well, right? So yeah, that's all for this one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.